Motormouth Maul, waving out stepping. 766, I ain't too far. Sorry. Tell 7 foot 6. 1969, tell 7 foot 6. Motormouth Maul, waving out stepping.
JD's family, man. His son and, I love JD, no doubt about it. Put it on you later on, 812, old Dirty Bird in the backwoods is reading his mail.
Hey, Dirty Bird, you're still...
EFO 10, Dirty Bird. All right, big brother, I'm gonna get out of your air hole. I'm gonna get off your water gate and let you continue to do your thing. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to the family on that end. Dirty Bird, drop top chicken box, doing your thing in California at Christmas time. 12, Mo 12, working this mongoose technology, west side, got down.
Hey, JB in Tennessee, I know you're talking to Undertaker, but I'm gonna roll up in there and say hello and good morning to him to you, JB in Tennessee. Motormouth Maul, waving out stepping.
Boy, to have you leaning. Hey, 12 and Mo 12. You ain't know nothing about that. Put it on you later on. You might have to put the power over just a little bit. And she's moving on in deep in the Cali, no doubt.
Hey, Dirty Bird, I might need a little bit more.
Live in JD's page, and I'm reading this mail.
I might need a little...
Bye, Bird, I got it all. 12 is gone.
A whole lot more right there. Hey, Dirty Bird, what you think about that right there? I'm back down again, but I just want to give you a little bit more so you can see I had a little bit more in store there, Big.
Hello to you, Motormouth Maul. You come around from the side of this country, man. I didn't want you to go that way, you Dirty Bird.
Man, you put a little bit more in it.
I didn't want to ruin this video game. Hello, Motormouth Maul. Hello, 12 in the valley. JB in the hills, Freight Gray.
Hey, JB, you see, you didn't want to ruin it.
Hello, JB. I was going to roll up in there. Happy holidays, big brother. JB, 12 in the Valley Hills.
Tennessee, while you're rolling up in here too, man. You and Dirty Bird are rolling up in my radio, and I ain't even looking your way. Hey, JB, I'm looking a little bit too far south of you. I should be pointed this thing to run a little bit farther to the north, but I'm doing the best I can in broadcast mode. I got down.
Motormouth 12, that's a good copy on you.
I had to say, man, I'm going to pull it back.
That way, Dirty Bird, I seen he was live. I won't get up in the middle of that copy. I'm trying to be respectful. Hey, 12, put it on you.
Put it on you later on.
Put it on you.
Dirty Bird.
Very merry, happy. JB, the big man in Tennessee is getting on now.
EF410, JB, as I'm going 10-6. Happy holidays to you and the family. Hey, JB, happy holidays to you and the family. JB in Tennessee. 12, more 12. Working this mongoose technology in California is gone.
Golden Rocket.
Smoking in control.
Golden. Do you hear me now?
Motormouth Maul trying to roll up in there from time to time with just a little bit of audio right there. Right now I got down.
Hey, Motormouth Maul, I think I got them conveyors there. Because they hollering and screaming in the background. I heard 12. I heard Maul, and I heard a whole bunch of other conveyors in the background.
Come here, Paul.
Later, Motormouth Maul, JB.
Pick up here, son.
Yeah, Jim, what is JB's here?
Come on, radio, Pino.
Background, you know, a bunch of other stations.
Man, come on. Oh, come on. Real press.
Gain, no gain antenna, broadcast style antenna. No gain, low gain, broadcast style antenna right there, right now. At JB, Motormouth Maul, stepping right there.
All antenna, that's what you said, big brother. Hey, Motormouth Maul, you got it going on. Easy to take care of. What's the TV? Put it on you later.
Dirty Bird, first class, working a Dave May drop top chicken box.
I'll sit back here, read the mail for a little bit, too. I think I heard Dirty Bird talking to Mean Bill. Now, wait a second. Hey, JB, I think I heard Dirty Bird turn his attention to Mean Bill around the Cold Great Lakes. I don't know what Mother Nature's doing. I have no idea what Mother Nature's... Well, this will carry her up a little bit more. I have no idea what Mother Nature's doing out there right now. But I think I heard Dirty Bird talking up to Mean Bill around the Cold Great Lakes. Hey, JB, Motormouth Maul right there right now.
Yeah, right, Motormouth Maul. It's coming from all directions, man. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy the way it's working right about now. It's coming from all kind of different directions. I can hear the big horn. Put it on you later, Motormouth Maul. JB, get
When you got them all, you like to have in my radio.
With them all different directions. that's what I was doing over here, too. I got 1969 in New Mexico creeping up in there, Dirty Bird in Georgia creeping up in Tennessee creeping up in there. You ain't creeping. Hey, JB, you ain't creeping. Yeah, I know where you are. You're right there in the square center on top of the doggone stack right there. And I heard, New Mexico, I should say, I heard Colorado roll up in there too, so I got a whole bunch of stuff coming from all the different directions over here also. Hello to you, JB.
1959, New York. World class golden rocket, Los Angeles. 1959, New York. World class golden rocket, Los Angeles. Cal, good morning, brother.
Hey, Rocket, you keep working that radio style antenna, and I'm going to keep working this green OWA.
Hello to you, Rocket.
Motor Mouth Maul, JV, C, got down.
I definitely keep working the broadcast style antenna. It's my favorite one so far. I've been
1959, coast to coast. 1959. Golden rocket, coast to coast. 1959, world class golden rocket. I'm in New York.
long stretched out 16, 117.
59. World class golden rocket, west side, calling your numbers, brother.
Realizing that getting out of this little thing, making other changes. It's just the antenna change. I tell you what, I didn't screw up all the other past antennas.
Radio over here around the backwoods, I guarantee you.
The way this doggone thing's working, it's conversational, you know. So it gets the job done.
You are there,
That's all that matters. JB was I think the doggone thing is up in JB, man. Maybe it has something to do with our initials being the same. I'll tell you.
Yeah, I'm trying to New York. You come on.
Stepping right there.
Good morning to you. I'm trying to Georgia. Good morning. World class golden rocket right here on this scatter gun. Good morning. World class golden rocket, California station is back out.
Mouth Maul, JB.
Nobody but Dirty Bird, man.
Yeah, he said bighorn roll. And he rolled it up a little bit more before I could get it.
Dirty Bird in the backwoods. I'm back out.
Oh, take care, my friends. 7-3s. Have a wonderful day. Have a super great holidays and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stepping.
JB, I said hello, howdy, do you, Merry Christmas. Hey, Motor Mouth Maul, you tell my good friend up there around Tennessee that Dirty Bird did say hello, howdy, doody. Hey, Motor Mouth Maul, you know who it is? Dirty Bird is undermodulated.
Dirty Bird, you said to your friend.
I'm tired of hearing that job on that. You can talk to Motor Mouth Maul. I don't know, world class rocket. I turned my doggone antenna down on the south side of the country. World class golden rocket reading this mail.
Hey, Motor Maul. Dirty Bird, I'm going to say hello time to him and all my friends over around Georgia. Christmas to them over on the East Coast, no doubt about it. Motor Mouth Maul, I'm going to sit back and read this mail. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye.
2-4.
Oh, you're talking to me. Hey, Jody, I'm going to get away, man. You got it going on. Hey, who are you talking to?
Everybody in Georgia.
Some radio got something to do. Ain't got no business out here no way. Good morning to you. Down on Peach State of Georgia. World class golden rocket. Hey, Motor Mouth, back in the South. Hey, Motor Mouth, you tell that up like I'll be around Tennessee. Don't be drinking too much of that Tennessee whiskey. What they doing up there? Hey, Motor Mouth, put it on your phone. In a home, 20 Daniels. I said, Merry Christmas. I'm back out.
For the Dirty Bird, it's right back and Merry Christmas to everybody up in Tennessee, too. And I'm going to roll that and extend that to everybody else within the sound of this radio.